I don't know if it's gonna start.
You're trying to scare me. I saw the camera set up. I was like,
You weren't scared, baby?
no, I was not.
I tried to scare you.
I wonder if you'll see a clip in the video where I'm gonna be like this. I'm putting on myself and I'm like this.
For real?
Yeah.
I don't want to scare you too bad. I don't want to scare you. I knew you was tired of it. What's up, boys and girls? So today it's actually a pretty cool day, and if you can see right behind me, I actually finally put the bumper on the Z. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah, it's fitted up as best as I could. Honestly, the lines aren't the best. I feel like I need to still do a little bit of work, you know, to get them perfect. But you know, for the most part, from not having no bumper to throwing a bumper on, I think it looks 10 times better. So you guys let me know what you think down below. But yeah, bro, I feel like it definitely ties the car in so much better, makes it look complete. And you know, fingers crossed that we don't run into the boys or nothing like that. I don't really think we will, because pretty much what we're going to today, let me go ahead and explain to you guys. We're actually gonna be heading to a quick car meet, bro. It's in my area. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna see what's up with it. I actually have my homie pulling up. He has a 370 as well. It's also a Nismo, so that's gonna be sick. I'll probably have him maybe not park like right here, but maybe outside. We'll like get some pics, flick it up. But yeah, man, I'm excited, bro. You know, get some pics and just getting out there, man. It's been a minute since I've been to like a car meet. I feel like anytime I'm going to like a car meet or anything like that, it's like the San Clemente Cars and Coffee. So this will just be cool. Hoping it's chill. You know, if it's not, we're definitely gonna have to dip out because I'm not with none of that BS. Yeah, man, we'll see what's up, bro. I'll hit you up when my homie gets here.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
Chilling, man. You?
Chilling, bro.
So I have to wash it real quick.
Sheesh. It's the homie Mike right here, my boy. Look at this, bro. This shit is bussin'. Damn, bro. What y'all think about this color, man? This shit go hard. Super sick. Damn. Now that's tough right there. It's time, boys. It's time.
Yeah, it's such courtesy of like, you want bread?
You got bread. Alright, bet. Let me warm this thing up. I don't know if it's gonna start. You can hear the exhaust leak. S13 up here, yes sir. Bro, I miss my S13 so bad, bro. Hopefully one day, man. It's so funny right now because we're like confusing all these people. They're like looking around. They're like, what the heck is going on, yo? There's so many cars too, bro. So many. Hey man, these fools got some crazy cars out here, here, yo. Crazy clean. I didn't expect this thing to be this big. Your boy finally made it here, bro. Look how packed this thing is, bro. It's crazy. Crazy packed. Got the Z here. Got my boy here, right here. Sheesh. Bro, I don't think y'all understand how big this thing is. Like, to put in perspective, bro, look at it like this. We'll see the camera.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah. Bro, you guys can't tell me, bro. RPF ones, like, come on now. You just can't go wrong, bro. Look at this car. Super sick, bro. Clean. Hey, so my boy sold his car. Tell me why this fool pulled up to the meet. That's crazy. Hey, you miss it or what? Nah, that's crazy though. Both the whips. You see, he kept the same color scheme. That's crazy, bro.
No way, boy.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, so my boy had sold this car not too long ago, actually, and then actually picked up this Nismo, bro. He's been waiting for a Nismo 370 for so long, and he finally, you know, was able to come up on one. And like, look how clean it is, bro. You know, super clean. Got the V1s, of course, bro. Easy going up in value. If you know, dog. But nah, for real, this the homie, man. Go ahead and follow his Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and tag it right here down below. But yeah, that's him right there, bro. And then this one right here is his old whip. Super clean, bro. Like super, super clean. I was actually sad to see it go, but I'm glad it's actually still around the area. And it's just cool to see it pull up, you know? So that's it, it's cool. What y'all think? What?
I mean, damn coupe.
I was about to say, yeah. Sheesh.
I forgot how like low these are. They're down like mine.
Oh, bro.
Wow.
Talking about low?
Yeah.
Talk to him about love.
What the hell?
I wouldn't.
Bro, S14, dog. Come on now. Sheesh. You hard or what?
On what?
This right here. Oh, look at the roof, bro. I ain't gonna count. I don't really like Volkswagens like that, but bro, it's clean, dog.
That sounds like my shit.
Come on, bro. Y'all know I love these, man. Y'all know I love these. Especially the coupe, bro. The coupe with the clear tails, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. What? So sick.
Fuck up. You know about engines.
It's an RB20, dog. My boy came prepared. He got the light up there. Sheesh. Nah, that's sick, though. Come on, bro. There's nothing that sounds better than that right there, bro. Young ballers out here, dog. Who got the LC500 bag with the AGs, bro? Come on now. Sheesh. You already know who this is. My boy right here. I'm gonna go ahead and tag his, put his at right here. It's the homie. Super clean, man. Sheesh. Bro, I think I'm in love, dog. Look at this thing, man.
Nah, that's on black.
This thing is crazy clean, bro. Bro, that's sick. Hella sick. Literally simply clean, bro. SBCs. Is that carbon fiber dog? We got the red guts. Come on, dog. Sheesh. Super sick. Yeah, I love this setup. It's good. This one's sick. This is definitely some drift specs though. So everybody's starting to dip out. honestly, bro, I'm really surprised of like how many people showed up, and I don't know, bro. This thing didn't get kicked out. Like, that's so sick. So yeah, man, shout out to you guys, bro, for not getting everybody kicked out. So that's how we're gonna end the night. Me and my boy probably get some quick flicks right here, man. The meet is ending. Everybody's dipping out. Super sick, man. That's gonna do it, boys. So I'm ending the night, so with the Z right here. So if you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead, drop a like, comment, don't forget to subscribe to your boy, man. It really helps your boy out. And yeah, man, you already know what I'm gonna say, man. Stay tuned for more content, dog. So much more to come, so much more to fix. And yeah, so that's gonna be it, boys. I'm out.
Hi, baby. I see you.
Do you for real?
Yeah, I see you.